So hello you guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Here we go for binary trading, Olymp trade. Everyone know we use Olymp trade for binary trading. Today is Saturday, so we do OTC trading. Everyone know. So first we open Olymp trade. So here we go for Euro USD OTC trading. That give away 82 percentage and market gone 58 buyers and 42% sellers. So here we first analyze chart, then second we trade. So here we go for $1,000 trade. So let's see guys, our one trade are active. Let's see. So here our trade are active. Let's see, we have only 40 seconds but we are in loss. So let's see guys, leave a like guys, and if you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. So I thought we change up here like GBP USD OTC trade. Let's see, here we go again, analyze chart, then second we apply our strategy like SNR strategy. SNR is very important for every trading like forex, binary, every. So here I thought market gonna consolidate, so here we go for sell. Let's see. Okay, our one trade close in profit. Let's see guys, here we go for again trade. So our SNR is working. Let's see. Okay, here we go, market gone again upward. Again we do our sell. Let's see, we have only 20 seconds. Okay, here's a touch up line. Let's see. Okay, market gone upward. Let's see, we have only 4 seconds. 3 2 1. Okay, we have no loss, no profit. That's it. So our trade are active, but we choose again Euro USD. Okay, market gone really upward. So here we go for sell again sell and again sell. Let's see, we do a big risk. Let's see guys, our $3,000 trade are active. Okay, our one trade close in loss, but our $4,000 trade are active. Let's see what happened there. So here we go for wait some time, and let's see, we have only 20 seconds. Okay, come on guys, leave a like guys. Okay, 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, here's again profit. 3 2 1. Here's again profit. Oh, it's a loss, close up loss guys. That's a, it's a very close loss. Let's see, again do for sell. Again we analyze chart and again we trade. Let's see, and there's a big downward. Market gone midway trend, but let's see. Okay, we have 30 seconds. Let's see guys, we have $2,000 back. Okay, here's a go again. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, here we go again. Now let's see, guys. We again do $2,000 trade. Okay, okay. Here's the 10 seconds only. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's a close loss, guys. But let's see. Our one trade also active. Only 20 seconds. Okay, here's the go market gone again downward. Let's see, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, it's a really big crash. Let's see. Again we do buy. Okay, we have 40 seconds only. So here we go again for sell. $500 sell. Let's see, guys. We have 30 seconds for close our first entry. And that's a market gone boom fly. So we have only 16 seconds. Okay, just a wait. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's a very big profit. So okay, we have only 20 seconds to close our second entry, but our second entry are in loss because market gone really big fly suddenly, so that's why. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's the close our third entry. So that's a strategy, guys, and that's a trading, guys. We have only $5,600, but we do a very well trade in past. So that's a strategy, and if you like my strategy, so please follow me and also comment me because I need your supports. So see you guys soon again. Bye bye.